advanced, intuitive technology puts you in control of your BMW 5 Series. With BMW's innovative gesture control, you are able to interact with the iDrive while keeping your eyes on the road. While using your pointer finger, you can raise and lower the volume of the radio. This next gesture is customizable. It's defaulted to go to the next radio station or song title. With an incoming call, you have the ability to answer or reject with gesture control. You can answer the call by pointing at the screen. You can reject the call by swiping your hand to the right. For more information on this topic or others, you can download the BMW Genius app, give us a call, or come in and book your appointment at BMW of North Haven today.